Welcome to Topic 2, Project Organization. Today, we'll explore the fundamentals of project organizational structures. We'll cover essential project guidelines and delve into the various types of project organizations you might encounter. I'm Professor T.S. Dr. Jamal Offman, and I'm pleased to guide you through this important topic. Why do we need an organization? It serves as a vital control and communication system, enabling management to achieve its objectives efficiently. A well-defined structure clarifies roles, establishes hierarchies, and streamlines communication. This leads to better coordination, clear authority, and effective control mechanisms, ultimately benefiting project success. Our first general guideline for project management is to define the objective clearly. This minimizes risk by establishing management's intent, outlining the project's scope, and describing the expected end results. A precise objective ensures everyone understands what needs to be achieved and its impact. Guideline 2 focuses on establishing a robust project organization. For functionally structured companies, this means finding a balance. It involves appointing an experienced project manager, organizing the project management function effectively, and assigning a limited, dedicated staff. Maintaining a power balance between functional heads and the project manager is crucial. Guideline 3 emphasizes installing effective project controls. This includes time control, using network scheduling for efficient management. Cost control involves breaking down expenses and acting on early reports. Quality control requires defining performance criteria and continuously monitoring progress to ensure standards are met. Project stakeholders are individuals or organizations actively involved in a project or whose interests might be affected by its outcome. Key stakeholders on every project typically include the project manager, the performing organization, the customer, and the sponsor. Understanding their roles is vital for success. Organizational structures vary widely. We'll examine several types, including functional, projectized, and various matrix organizations like weak, balanced, and strong matrix. We'll also touch upon composite organizations. Each structure offers a different approach to managing projects and resources. In a functional organization, projects are segmented and assigned to relevant functional areas, coordinated by upper management. Conversely, a projectized organization dedicates most resources to project work, granting project managers significant independence and authority. These represent two ends of the organizational spectrum. Matrix organizations blend functional and projectized approaches. A weak matrix maintains functional authority, with project coordination often informal. In a balanced matrix, a project manager is formally assigned, interacting equally with functional managers to oversee the project, sharing authority. A strong matrix organization leans towards the projectized side, with a dedicated project manager holding substantial authority, often reporting to a manager of project managers. A composite organization uses a mix of structures, perhaps a functional base with projectized units for specific projects, adapting to diverse needs. Different organizational structures significantly influence projects. Factors like the project manager's authority, the percentage of full-time project personnel, and the project manager's role vary greatly across functional, matrix, and projectized environments. Even administrative staff allocation differs based on the organization type. Projectized organizations offer strong project manager authority and rapid response, but may lack technical depth. Functional organizations provide stability and efficient resource use, yet can suffer from weak customer interfaces and slower communication. Each structure presents unique advantages and disadvantages for project execution. Project management fundamentally revolves around three primary elements: planning, scheduling, and controlling. These elements form a continuous cycle. Planning sets the stage, scheduling organizes the work, and controlling ensures the project stays on track, constantly monitoring and adjusting. Project planning involves several critical steps. First, define performance goals. Then, clearly define the project itself. Next, develop a detailed work breakdown schedule, breaking down tasks into manageable components. finally, identify the necessary team members and resources required for execution. Project scheduling organizes the planned work. This includes sequencing activities, assigning specific tasks to individuals, and scheduling deliverables with clear timelines. It also involves scheduling resources efficiently to ensure their availability when needed, optimizing the project timeline. Controlling the project is about ensuring it stays aligned with the plan. This involves continuously monitoring resources, costs, and quality. Based on this monitoring, plans are revised as needed, and resources are shifted to address any deviations or challenges, keeping the project on course. A project team is a group of individuals selected for their specialized skills and experience, drawn from within or outside the organization. Headed by the project manager, the team coordinates activities, monitors schedules, and manages costs, working collaboratively to achieve project objectives. A typical project team structure shows how specialized roles integrate within the broader organization. Project managers oversee specific projects, drawing expertise from various functional departments like design, quality management, and production, ensuring cross-functional collaboration for project success. Project team members are crucial for success. While the project manager is central, roles like project engineer, financial controller, manufacturing engineer, and field manager are vital. Each member brings unique expertise, contributing to the project's overall success. Every role is important. Specific project team roles carry distinct responsibilities. The project engineer handles technical aspects, while the manufacturing engineer focuses on production processes. The field manager oversees on-site operations, and the contract administrator manages agreements. The project controller tracks finances, and support services provide essential assistance.